VAL'S at it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I will be preparing some curry chicken neck. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and you can place a comment below. See you soon. Yes guys, so this is my chicken neck. As you can see, it was previously seasoned and placed in the bottom of the refrigerator to marinate for 24 hours. Alright, and I use 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of parsley, and I use some Grace all-purpose, that's a teaspoon as well, and I use less than a teaspoon of sea salt. Alright, so as you can see, my herbs, my parsley, and yes guys, the paprika is looking so beautiful. Alright, so this is what I will be looking about, some curry chicken neck. Alright, I also use 2 cloves of garlic to marinate my chicken neck. Alright, so here is my curry powder, and I'll be using 1.5 teaspoon of curry powder, burned in say around a tablespoon and a half of coconut oil. Over here I'll be using 2 Irish potato, a piece of bell pepper, 1 clove of garlic, and a piece of this pepper without the seed. I also have scallion and a medium carrot. Alright, stay tuned for my next step. Yes guys, so this is 1.5 teaspoon of curry powder, and it was burned in 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil. Alright, if you want to know more in detail about this process of how I burn my curry, you can check out some of my videos on my channel. Stay tuned for my next step. Yes guys, so I placed my meat inside and I'm actually giving it a stir. Alright, so I'm going to stir this for say about a minute, just to make everything just a little of the fry. Alright. Alright, and I'm going to let this sit for say about 2 minutes. I will be back. Yes guys, so after 2 minutes, this is what it is looking like, and as you can see, it has generated some juice. Alright, so I won't be adding any water to this. Alright, so I will be back in the next 5 minutes. Stay tuned. Yes guys, after 5 minutes, this is what it is looking like. Alright, and I will be adding hot water. Alright. Alright, so that's like 3 cups of hot water. Alright, and I'm going to leave this for say around 15 minutes. Alright, stay tuned for my next step. after 15 minutes, this is what it is looking like. Right. So I'll be adding some warm water. That's another 3 cups. Right. And a little bit of stir. I'm gonna leave this for the next 10 minutes. See you soon. Yes guys, so after 10 minutes, this is what it is looking like. So I'm gonna give it a little stir. See what's going on. Alright, so I'll be adding 1 cup of warm water. Alright, and I'm going to leave this for the next 10 minutes. And I will be back because this is actually slow cooking, guys, on the medium flame. Alright, so I will be back after 10 minutes. Stay tuned. Yes guys, after 10 minutes I'm back. Alright, so this is what it is looking like. See, it's getting tender. Alright, so I'll be adding my Irish and also my carrots. I'll be adding some warm water. Give it a little stir. I'm gonna be adding my scotch bonnet pepper as well and my fresh garlic. Alright, I'm gonna let this stay for the next 5 minutes just for the Irish and carrot to get a little bit tender, and then I'll be adding my bell pepper and the green part of the scallion. Alright, stay tuned. Yes guys, I'm back after 5 minutes. Alright, and that's what it is looking like. I am a bone person, so I love when my meat is very tender. So you can cook it to the amount of time that you want it, for your preference. Alright, so I'm tasting. So alright, I did not use any Maggi seasoning to marinate, so I'm going to be using a little Maggi seasoning. Alright, and that's less than a teaspoon of Maggi seasoning. I'll be using 2 pinch of sea salt. So that's 1 pinch and the next pinch. And I'll be adding my bell pepper and scallion. I'll be adding a little more water. I'm going to leave this for say the next 5 minutes. All right, see you soon. Yes guys, after 5 minutes I am ready to turn my flame off. All right, there you have it. See you soon for my presentation. Yes guys, there you have it, a simple and inexpensive meal. All right, so this is my curry chicken neck and it is served with parsley coconut rice. All right, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. You can like and share my videos, and you can place a comment below. Peace out, be safe.